Prafulla Kumar Mishra, having been appointed as the Lokaयुक्त under the Goa Lokaयुक्त Act 2011, do hereby solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or duty.
No, priorities, first priorities, I have to go to the office, find out what is there available, what are the provisions, etc. It's all, so far as I am concerned, I have not seen what are the functions functions of course I know, what are the, so, and one has to act according to the provisions, what is there in the provision, one will act only according to that. Chief Minister was saying that 16 cases, but I know I have not seen, I have to go there and find out.
You got a suo moto powers to take any case in that case?
I have, I think possibly there is some suo moto power, but I am not sure. देना है उनका property statement, annual property
annual करना चाहिए था, मगर
that is that provision I had read in the newspaper earlier, it is there.
तो हुआ नहीं है. पहले सुदर्शन रेड्डी ने शपथ लेने के बाद, चार्ज लेने के बाद एक बार हुआ था, उसके बाद हुआ ही नहीं.
उसके बाद ही वो चले गए तो इसलिए, और कोई नहीं था इसलिए नहीं होगा.
You will make it compulsory.
हाँ, that is the statutory provision, it's a statutory provision. Therefore all public functionaries who they come under the act, they must be.
आप कोई टाइम फ्रेम देंगे चार्ज लेने के बाद?
नहीं, उसके लिए भी स्टैट्यूटरी टाइम फ्रेम भी है मेरे ख्याल में. देयर इज अ टाइम फ्रेम फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. देन इफ इट इज नॉट देयर, देन आई थिंक नोटिस विल बी सेंट टू देम एंड that is there. Action can be taken only in accordance with the provisions of the act, and the provisions of the act they vary in different states. So I have some idea about the provisions in Odisha, but I don't have any idea about the provisions here in Goa. So that I have to find out, and then only one can.
लोकायुक्त नेमणूक जाली, ताच्या बरोबर दोन गजालींची आवश्यकता आसता. ताका आवश्यक मॅन पावर दिवं जाय आनी योग्य ऑफिस दिवंक जाय, निवास ताची वेवस्था करूंक जाय. आमी तिनूय ह्या गजालीचेर वी हॅव वर्कड ऑन. पयलींचें ऑफिस हें गव्हर्मेंट गेस्ट हावस जावन आसा. लोकायुक्त नासल्यामुळे स्टाफ कमी जाल्लो. आतां आमी तो सादारण 15-16-17 व्हेला आनी ती जागाय अपुरी आसली. त्यामुळे नवीन जागा आमी जे ओल्ड गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज रायबंदर आसा थंय शिफ्ट करतात. PWD काम दिलां. युद्ध पातळीचेर तितरलें पार्टिशनींग जें कितें करूंक जाय तें करप चालू आसा. पूण हांगा चल्लें जाल्यार एक आठवडोभर 15 वडो चलत हांगा हें ऑफिस पयलींचें. पूण इन अ पिरियड ऑफ अबाउट 15 days, fortnight, we will be shifting to new premises, new spacious premises, which will be equipped one.